Today we're making baked ziti with ricotta. One on the left, lactose-free. The one on the right has mozzarella. It is not lactose-free. I got about 2 cups of tomato sauce with pre-cooked ziti in my pot. And I gave that a good stir. You can see that I'm not overwhelming the pasta with sauce. We could add more later if we like. And I broke up a couple of really good sized meatballs that I'm just gonna get on in there and give that a stir. Now, right here, we could add sauce to this. You can go ahead and eat it. I mean, this is ready to go. Version, you can see right here, and I'm gonna make a full throttle version for everybody. So I'm just gonna dollop 4 or 5 of these. I'm gonna give it a good stir, and I'm gonna see, this is gonna be more of a visual than a measurement. I'm gonna make sure I have the consistency between the cheese and the pasta. Why not? All right, you can see I dolloped in some mozzarella, and the goal is just to get enough in to where if you grab a bite, you're gonna get that stringy feel of the cheese. Now we're gonna top this off with the second and final layer, and this is only a little bit because I want to reserve some for the lactose-free side. And there we have it. Can add some Pecorino Romano and a little more sauce, and then I have some fresh mozzarella. I'm gonna kind of dollop in here, get a little everywhere. All right. Okay, this is now needs to be finished off with a little sauce. And to that, I want to add a meatball, but I will spare you watching me crush that meatball. All right, here we have the finished product. We have the lactose-free with meat sauce, and then we have the cheesy gooey for the kids that like the cheesy gooey. Tell me what you think. Which would you choose? You don't have to pick. You could have both. Let me know.